Hello friends, Ravi here. Today we are going to learn about conditional structure, which is also known as a control structure in Java, which mainly concern with the condition-based execution. So let's start. So what is the conditional structure in Java? So conditional structure in a Java is used to execute your code based on some condition. Like if your condition is a match, then going to execute this line of code. If not, then what should happen? What other code need to be executed? So this kind of condition based structure is covered in this lecture. So mainly there is a two way to handle this case. First is using a if and second is using a switch case. So let's start with if. So what is a if? If in Java is used to test the condition. It just for language like if this is a true, then this is need to be executed like that. It check the boolean condition which is written true or false, or based on this boolean result, it decide like either going to execute the line of code or not, whatever the cover between the two curly braces. There is a various version of if available in a Java, which is a normal if, then if else, then nested if, and the last one is the if else later, which is also called as the if else if. Okay, let's see the syntax. Yeah, this is a normal syntax for normal if condition. If you don't want to go with the if else and later if like that structure. So this is a normal if and it is a condition which written in a boolean. If this boolean return a true, then this particular block of code is going to execute. If this condition return false, then none of code between these two curly braces is going to execute. Okay, and here is a flow diagram. Like here the program control come here the condition which is the if condition. If condition is returning a true or true, then if code, that is this code between the two curly braces, is going to execute and control flow move to a next line of after these curly braces. If not, then control directly move to the end of these curly braces and the next code will going to execute like that. Yeah, let's take an example. Yeah, here I take a normal example of if structure, how it's work. Here in a main method, I have integer of number 10 and I check like if number is less than 15 or not. If number is less than 15, then I am going to print like a number is smaller than 15. Okay, so let's run it. Right click on it, run as and Java application. Yep, we have result like a number is smaller than 15. Why? Because the condition returns true. Now what happen if I write for here 16? Just save it and run it. Here you don't have any print statement here. Why? Because this condition return false and we are not going, I mean compiler not going to execute this line. The same way, if block working like if condition return true, then whatever the return inside this two curly braces is going to execute, otherwise not. That's it from today's session. We will cover if else, nested if in next session. Thank you.